So we're making garlic shrimp scampi with a little bit of fettuccine Alfredo. But I tell you what, if Alfredo was here, he'd be one pissed off dude. Welcome back, guys. Sean here with the garlic and butter guys. So I was telling my brother if Alfredo was here, he'd be one pissed off dude. And he's like, why?
Yeah, why?
Why? Because Alfredo didn't make it this way. Garlic shrimp with fettuccine Alfredo. Alfredo is the guy who created this dish, but not with a certain recipe. I'm going to show you how I do it. For this recipe, we're using a 15 to 20 count shrimp. Medium size. Get your salt, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper. I have some minced garlic. We'll use about a quarter head of garlic. Grab your olive oil, a little bit of that, and you mix. Simple, really, really easy, but it's gonna be very garlicky. All right, we're gonna set this aside. While that's going, I have the pan on. We're gonna drizzle in some oil, a little bit less than a quarter cup. I have half of a shallot here that I've diced up. We'll go ahead and add that. You could use butter if you don't have ghee. Ghee is just the clarified version of butter. And just give it a little mix. Bro, just the smell of this butter is absolutely amazing. Now take your shrimp and throw it in. You know that shrimp don't share?
What do you mean?
They don't share, they're shellfish. No? That was a good one?
I'm laughing.
You get it? Shellfish?
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna cook this a couple of minutes, right? I'm gonna actually take this out a little bit before because I don't want it to get too rubbery. If you let it cook too long, shrimp gets too rubbery. You want it to have that nice snap. Go ahead and flip. You get that nice pinkish, orangish color. For now, we take out the shrimp, we set it aside. To deglaze the pan, pull it away. I have a little bit of tequila here instead of white wine. We'll go ahead and do that. One shot. I'm not gonna burn the house down again like we did in that one episode. Ooh, okay, there's that. We're gonna let this tequila cook out a little bit, get all that liquor out of there. We'll add some cream and some bomb butter. We are using fettuccine. Use whatever kind of pasta you like. Pasta goes in for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how you like. While the pasta is cooking, I have quarter cup of fish stock. Now, you don't have to use fish stock. You could use chicken stock if you'd like. We're also gonna add 2 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter or regular butter. Give it a mix, let it melt down. Oh, bro, this is gonna taste amazing, bro, with that clarified butter. Everything better with butter. The remaining garlic that we have, we're gonna go ahead and add that as well. Mix it around really nice. To this, we're going to add some heavy cream. Give it a nice mix, just like that. It's a good half a cup of heavy cream. I have some Parmigiano Reggiano. We will add that slowly and we're gonna mix at the same time. Just add as you go. I like mine really cheesy, so.
Like your jokes?
Like my jokes. My jokes aren't cheesy, bro. I like good jokes. If it is cheesy, it's good cheese. It's a good cheesy joke. So I'm gonna let this tighten up just a little bit. Check on our pasta. Oh yeah, beautiful. Let's see how it is.
How's it?
Another minute or two.
Is it droopy yet?
It's droopy. All right, beautiful. Now, you noticed I didn't add salt to this, right? Because the Parmigiano Reggiano is salty. And we have a lot of garlic in there, so the taste is going to be absolutely amazing. All right, let's add our pasta. Don't worry about the water. That's the starch. We're going to use that in the sauce. That goes in. Sauce is off. Beautiful. Now we'll give it a little mix. Look at that, bro, the smell on this. You can smell a little bit of that tequila. It's gonna be amazing, guys.
It looks good.
Looks
Can you
amazing.
just leave the shrimp out?
Yeah, here, you want to taste it like this? We have our shrimp ready to go. Or what would you do if a shrimp chased you?
Wouldn't be able to.
Huh?
It wouldn't be able to.
What do you want to be? Come on, chicken. I proved it to you guys that he really is terrified of shrimp. Come on.
No! Stop.
Oh boy, we like to have fun. See, you gotta cook, you gotta have fun, you gotta laugh. Now, we have the sauce, we have the noodles in, we have our shrimp. Take your pasta, move it around just like that. All right, we're not gonna be fancy, screw it.
Because you can't.
Because I can't. There we go. Something like that.
There you go.
Grab your shrimp. We'll go ahead and set these around just to make it nice and just like that. Just to kind of show off your shrimp, right? Extra nice, we'll add another shrimp. Now, I like to add a little bit of chili flakes on top of it and a little bit of chopped parsley. Voila. Well, there you have it, folks.
Hold on.
What?
You didn't mention why Alfredo is going to be pissed.
Oh, that's a good point. So Alfredo's going to be pissed because back in Rome, when this dish came out, it didn't have cream in there. And I'm sure a lot of you know, and if you don't know, now you know. Alfredo made it a totally different way. There was no cream. Cream was brought here by the Italians that came back in 19-something, the early 1900s, and it was incorporated here. There is no cream in fettuccine Alfredo. Alfredo is the guy who made the dish similar to this. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, per Google, the restaurant still stands in Rome and they are still going. I actually seen a video on how they do it. There's no cream inside. So that's why I say Alfredo would be pissed, because he would say, hey, I don't put the cream in mine. All right, I'm moving in for the kill, bro.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm going in, I don't care. Oh my God. And a little bit of the shrimp. Look at all that butter comes through. Where'd my napkin go? Wow, absolutely phenomenal. Shrimp scampi, fettuccine pasta with some Alfredo sauce. Make sure you guys give it a try. Give us a thumbs up. Check us out on Instagram, Garlic and Butter Guy. And until the next time, don't forget to get notified. Ring-a-dingle that bell. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you. You don't get sunshine every day. Shrimp scampi with Alfredo sauce. No, what? Well, there you guys have it. Shrimp scampi, fettuccine Alfredo sauce. You got me all f***ed up now. That's how simple it is, guys. Shrimp scampi, fettuccine linguine.